Barry, you gonna do a little dance? It snowed just a little bit, folks.
As you're filming, walk to the mailbox.
Yes, of course, Mom. Good gracious. That be snow, folks. Woo, that'd be wind, too. Okay, so...
It's even on my gun!
Yes, it's even on your gun. Get out of the actual snow. Just come down here and... Oh, my goodness. My butt's cold. These pants were all right this morning. I guess it's gotten colder. Well, it's winter. Winter has happened. Winter.
We're getting to look a lot like Christmas.
He thinks it's Christmas. Is it a Christmas miracle?
Yeah.
You're goofy.
We're getting to look a lot like Christmas.
So yeah, it's y'all stay up here. I gotta get the mail. Whew. It's a little windier than it was. People just driving like they know what they're doing. Good luck, Godspeed. We'll take some Christmas photos. Shit. Ooh, but that is black ice all the way down the road, people. Yeah, y'all might want to drive a little slow. But they ain't gonna do it. Good Lord, there is snow on my mailbox. Look at this. It's snowing. Yeah, okay, again, I'm a wee bit excited. Oh, there's a package. There's a package. What the? Okay, whatever. All right, I'm gonna start recording because I've got to dig this out.